Hey guys, Steven and Edith here. We're wanting to invite you to our Homeownership 101, a mini crash course for current homeowners and first-time home buyers. As real estate professionals, we always get asked the question, is it a good time to buy or to sell? And I'm sure you're asking yourself the same question. This is why you don't want to miss this event. We will share with you the top reasons as to why to buy today or sell, and how the misconception of waiting may affect you. We will also be educating you on what you should know when signing a contract, how to secure your deposit, what to look for on your home inspection, and much more. You will come out of here with a wealth of knowledge. Also, at our event, we'll have Monica Villarreal with Loan Depot, who we've trusted for many years with our clients.
Thank you, Edith. It's always a pleasure to have events like this, where we educate the consumer first. Rates are on the rise, and you want to know, can I still afford to buy a home today? And if so, what will it take me to get there? We will go over something as simple as your monthly home buying budget to various loan programs available to first-time home buyers and current homeowners.
We are so excited to bring all this information to you. So reserve your seat today,
and we'll see you there.